Hello! Today I will show you how to access the full text of various standards. Let's start on the University Library homepage. Under Search and Browse, you will find Standards and Rules. This page lists all the standards and technical rules licensed by the University Library. We are going to start with the standards in the Nautilus database. This includes DIN and ISO standards, as well as VDI guidelines and DWA sets of practice and information sheets. VDE and IEEE standards, RAL labels, as well as DVGW sets of practice and information sheets are recorded in Nautilus only. You will find full-text VDE standards in the VDE Normenbibliothek, the VDE standard library, which we will show you after the Nautilus database. TU students can also use Nautilus and the VDE Normenbibliothek outside of the TU campus when logged into a VPN network of TU Berlin with a 2TU full tunnel. IEEE standards are located in the IEEE Explorer database. However, this is only accessible to TU members. RAL are available in print on the second floor of the Central Library. The DVGW codes of practice and information sheets are available in print on the first floor. We are now going to take a closer look at Nautilus. Please pay close attention to our terms of use. If you are searching for a specific standard, you can enter it in the field Document Number. Today we are looking for DIN 345. Now click Search. You will be taken to the result list. You have full text access to all standards which are currently valid. These are designated with a blue full text symbol in the column Document. As you can see, the first match is DIN 345, the standard we are looking for. To open the full text, simply click on the blue full text symbol. The result list also includes the date the standard was published or issued. If you require additional information about the standard, click on the document number. You will be taken to the full display. On the upper right-hand side, you can once again access the full text. We are now going to search for the DIN 345 from 1978. To find this exact version of the standard, click Advanced Search Fields and enter the year 1978 in both fields under publication date. Clicking on the plus sign allows you to select other filters, for example, ICS classification or status. In this case, we only need to enter the publication date. The red cross sign means that the standard was recalled and is no longer valid. For further information, click on the document number again. In the field also available in, you can see whether and where the standard is available in print. We are happy to assist you with finding recalled standards. We are now going to search for the standard VDE 0600-100. Click on the tab VDE Normen. Please note that you have read-only access to the standards in this database. It's not possible to download or print. Then click VDE Normenbibliothek Online. You will first be taken to the DBIS database information system. Now click the hyperlink www.normenbibliothek.de. You will be taken to the VDE Standards library, where you can enter the standard you are looking for in the search field in the upper left. To read the standard, click on the standard name or document number. If you have further questions about searching for standards and rules, please contact the information desk on the second floor of the Central Library.